Okay, so this is Project Huracan. Today we drove the my favorite car, one of my favorite cars. This is my favorite car to drive at night. This is the Mustang GT. Nothing special, except for the license plates. I'll say the license plates are special. License plates say no GT 500 because I was planning to buy a GT 500 until I saw a little knob shifter, and then changed my mind and decided we're gonna make this a project car to make it faster than a GT 500. But anyway, you guys tuned in because you want to probably see Tori, and some of you guys want to see a real estate update. So yeah, the last time I came over here, I did a live stream and I walked through the house and I was expecting to see certain things done that were sort of more cosmetic things. And when I did see those things done, I got a little disappointed. And it was a live stream, so I didn't edit anything. And it may have came off the wrong way because I didn't want to express any disappointment with the contractors that have been working hard on this project. So I'm going to show you some of the things that they've been working on that have slowed down the visual cosmetic things, because you have to do some of the behind the scenes things first before you can do the cosmetic things. So let me show you what some of those things are, and let me give some props to the contractor that is working on this project, finishing things up, because he didn't do everything like from the ground up. He's actually one of the best guys I've ever worked with as far as doing finishing work, and everything pretty much that he puts his hands on comes out well. His name is Joe. I'll link it to his business if anybody needs anything done. But I'm gonna ask him first because he gets so much business because he does good work. But I'm gonna show you some of the things that had to be done because we had to get an electrical inspection on this property, and we're preparing for a mechanical inspection, plumbing and HVAC. So let's look at some of the stuff that we had to do. So first of all, shout out to Joe because he did the landscaping, which I'm very happy with. He planted all the plants and everything. I had somebody else do this little border around it, but landscaping came out real good. So thanks to Joe and his son Tristan for that. But there's a lot of little stuff that I didn't notice when I came over here before that had to be done in preparation for the inspection, like caulking this stuff up, closing these things up. Matter of fact, he found a lot of different things that weren't done, like closing that up. Got to putty that up so it can pass inspection. It's got to pass inspection, and they're going to be looking at all these little detail things on the outside of the house. So I'll probably have to get a pad and throw under there at some point. Maybe talk to my HVAC guy about that. But like he had to patch all of that stuff up. Had to make some repairs to the electric box. It wasn't screwed down. This stuff wasn't patched up. So he had to fix all this stuff on the outside of the house. And I didn't even come back here to notice any of that stuff. And, I trust my guy. So he had some of that stuff in the contract, but I didn't even see it in the contract, to be honest. So shout out, good looking for taking care of that stuff for me. Now let's go inside the house and see what's going on. All right, so this is the kitchen. Love those cabinets. We're actually gonna put a ceiling fan right here, just like the one that's right there. So we got all the can lights in. That looks great. There actually had to be some trim work done, some repairs done that I didn't quite notice, but Joe got that taken care of for me, so it looks good. The door was actually coming out from the wall, and there was a big gap at the top, so he took care of that. There was also a lot of electrical work that had to be done because we had an electrical inspection. So if you guys can see here, there's some things that had to be taken care of, some sign-offs, blueprints of the house, of course, so that the inspector could see exactly what was supposed to be done as far as the electric. So Joe was taking care of that. Got wires rerun because there's a dishwasher, there's a dish disposal or a garbage disposal, there's a line from the stove. All of those had to have their own separate breakers. So got all that stuff taken care of, looking good, tied up. There was also one, what do you call it? This switch wasn't working. So they had to run a line behind this wall. They actually had to take the drywall out run a line down the wall, connect that up, and get that working. So there's like a lot of stuff behind the scenes that had to be done. And also the framing for this area right here. The reason why the what do you call it? The vanity wasn't in here because the walls weren't, it's like wider on the outside than it is by the wall. So the actual vanity that we got to fit in here wouldn't fit. So we had to get a different one, which is right there. So I didn't see that last time. I was hoping to see it, you know, because I loved when I came in here and I saw the kitchen being done. And you have that good feeling when you see progress and you come in here. So when I came in here and saw, I was like, oh man, I was hoping to see that. But Joe's gonna take care of it. Got it under control. He had to go get this new one. So, there's a lot of running around that has to happen. And I understand that, man. So yeah, I'm just gonna say I appreciate all the work that's been done thus far. And I know it's getting done right. So that's what kind of people you want to get on your projects. You want stuff to get done right. So we're gonna go down to the basement, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Love this basement. It's got a really nice bathroom in here. So Joe actually put in the flooring, put in the trim. It's looking good. Got the toilet in. He had to do a lot of plumbing underground because the drain pipe for the toilet was sitting in the wrong place. So he had to actually cut out the cement, move the drain pipe and everything and all the plumbing to get the toilet to sit in the right place. So now it's looking good. Got the vanity in. That's looking good. So yeah, there's our bathroom, shower. So all the trim stuff is gonna be done last because we don't want people to be using the the shower and causing a lot of mess with the water and stuff when construction is still going on. So yeah, so that got taken care of. There was a lot of plumbing stuff that you wouldn't see when you come through and walk through the house. That had to get taken care of. Also, I didn't take you guys in here, and this is some behind the scenes type stuff. So this is like the raw basement space. There had to be a lot of work done back here as well that I didn't see. That just takes time. So like he was telling me that he had to redo this whole exhaust pipe right here coming out of the gas water heater. So that that took up some time and effort, and like I said, when I walked through I didn't see that. So I wasn't paying attention to that. I was looking for cosmetic stuff. You know how it is when you're like the home buyer. But yeah, so we're looking good, man. Getting good work done. Had to do some rewiring here in the electric box. That's taken care of, looking good. That's the wire. They ran the wiring to fix the bathroom down to the electric here in the wall, so that had to be patched up. So that stuff takes time, man, and I understand that. So we're just gonna be patient and hope to get this project done in January of 2020. So hopefully when this project is done, for those of you guys that want to come down and see this project in person and talk to me about the project, talk to some of the contractors that worked on the project, I want to have an open house and we'll just show off this house and you guys are welcome to come. Maybe I'll bring a couple of the cars over here and you guys can check out the cars and we'll just make a nice event out of it. But I'm really happy with the work and the quality of the work that's been done. It's just that this project has taken a long time. You guys, some of you guys that have subscribed to my channel for a long time know how long this project is taking, because I called this project Project Huracan because I bought this house to build it and sell it to pay for my Huracan. And yeah, that was a while ago. So sometimes, man, like especially that was a live stream, sometimes you just gotta kind of take a deep breath and say, you know what, before you jump on video and express any type of disappointment, that kind of thing, you just take a step back, because people might take that the wrong way, that because they don't know who you're frustrated with. And for me, I'm always dealing with a lot of stuff, so I might not even be frustrated with this one project. It might just be the million of other things that I got going on. And so I wanted to make sure to clear that up, because I appreciate the people that have been putting in hard work to get this project done. All right, so let's get that straight. And make sure, if you ever have situations where you maybe made a mistake like that and you showed some frustration or some emotion that you typically don't show, make sure to just try to clear it up with people and do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm shouting out my contractor because I think I maybe put out the wrong message, and it may have been taken like I was upset with just him, you know, because he's the last person to touch the project. But in reality, I was more frustrated with the history of this project. That's really what it boils down to. You know how it is. So anyway, this is Project Huracan. We're in good hands right now. I'm gonna basically let him do his thing, and then we'll come back and check on it a couple of weeks into January. So yeah, shout out to Joe, and shout out to everybody else that's worked on Project Huracan thus far. I appreciate you guys, and I'll be so happy when this project is done, and everybody that's watching this can come out and check it out. Now, so for those of you guys who have not seen the upstairs, I'm gonna show you guys the upstairs real fast. So we got carpet in the house. Carpet is smelling good. Got the double door. This is your linen closet. This is your bedroom number 1 for a kid. Nice walk-in closet. One thing I like is the little stuff like having a light in every closet. Got lots of windows in this bedroom. Then we got a Jack and Jill bathroom with double vanities right here. And we got the light fixtures up there. Also, Joe had to like move these light fixtures to align with the vanity, so it looks good. We got the little, what they call water closet. It doesn't have a door, but it'll have these cabinets. Those cabinets will sit over the toilet, so you'll have some extra storage. It's gonna be real nice, man. Shout out to Joe for that idea. Second bedroom upstairs. This house has a total of 4 bedrooms, 1 in the basement, 3 upstairs. Got the closet, and like I said, I like the small things. We got a light in the closet, right there, and we got the light on the ceiling fan. It's the little things that count. This is where you come up the stairs. We're gonna have black wrought iron spindles, so it's gonna look real good. That's then we got the what do you call this? The upstairs laundry. So your washer and dryer right there. Got a nice little what do you call it? Cabinet or whatever. There you go. You can see it better. There we go. Master bedroom. A lot of space for put your bed there, put your TV right there, chilling. If you haven't seen this closet, huge closet. This closet could be like a bedroom. I don't know if you guys can tell how big it is, but it's about 8 foot by 8 foot. It's crazy. Huge. This could be a bedroom, man. You could hide in here. So there we go. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Master bathroom. Come in. Got your tub, soaking tub if you need that after a hard day's work. Got your shower over here. You got his and her vanities. So there's one right there. Let me turn the lights on. Boom. His and her vanities. We got a vanity over here. And this is another one of Joe's good ideas to put like sort of a linen closet type thing for storing stuff here in the bathroom. Because otherwise you wouldn't have that much storage space. Because you're gonna be putting your liquids and stuff in there and your, you know what I'm saying, like cleaning supplies. We got a little nook here for the toilet. It's looking good. Like I said, we got shower doors are coming. The next time you guys see this project, it will probably be finished because I'm not gonna interrupt Joe coming here shooting any videos until we're pretty much done. So that'll be hopefully by the middle of January. All right? Look at her. Guess who showed up? Trying to get some shots in. All right, we're gonna do the shots though. Everybody say what's up to Tori. Pretending to drive the Lambo.